have seen on Jayemm's video, he's got his reasons for selling this car, which I appreciate. However, when I took this car for the 1,000-mile road trip up in Scotland, even though I may have broken the supercharger, I'm not saying that I did, but I fell in love with the car. I fell in love with it. I loved absolutely everything about it. The colour, the performance, the sound, the practicality. It's probably not quite as daily drivable as perhaps maybe the 911 was. However, I've been driving this car now for about 2 or 3 weeks every day, doing the school run. It's louder, it's more extravagant, it's everything, it's like the Porsche on steroids essentially. It might not be the most sensible car to drive on a daily basis, but I feel that the car is totally totally able to achieve daily driver status. Maybe not quite in this particular colour scheme. Having said that, absolutely in love with the car. I said to James, if you ever think about selling it, let me know, because obviously in the market, looking quite seriously at perhaps an Evora 400, especially in this colour scheme. And I think when the supercharger failed, that kind of that was the icing on the cake for him. So thank you, James. I will continue the story of this famous yellow Evora 400. I'm looking forward to taking it on many journeys, many drives. I'm happy to share with you things like ongoing costs and maintenance. However, this car still has probably about, I don't know, I think about eight months left in the warranty. So I don't know, who knows. Let's hope that I won't need to use any of that warranty time. I'll continue to be very picky about any little niggly quality related issues that can get sorted out during that period of time. I think this is critical. Kind of, I think James has done a great job of sort of the initial ownership experience and the buying experience, even though it was through JCT. I think now what I would like to try and understand from the car is, okay, it's had 2 years to bed in, it's done almost 27,000 miles. How mechanically sound is it really going to be? Some might say that I'm a bit mad to be trading the reliability of Stuttgart, the old 911 with this, but yeah, I don't know. I have a feeling of confidence with this car. I think James has owned the car. He's had niggly problems with it. Lots of problems, usually stupid, is what he said in his video. The only real serious problem that he had with it was with the supercharger failing. But I'm hoping that is going to be a one-off. As mentioned, the supercharger is made by somebody else, so let's hope that that's not a typical Lotus problem with this car. I'm hoping that the clutch has got a lot of life left on it as well. That is a slight concern of mine, but it does very much depend on you know, how the car has been driven over the years. And I do trust James to an extent with regards to the fact that he looked after this car well. So I'm hoping the clutch has got quite a few many more miles on it, because I'm not really up for doing another clutch replacement just yet. So watch this space, get subscribed to Charlie Drives, because I'm going to take you guys on a bit of a journey with this car. It's definitely something I'm going to keep hold of for the duration. I will do a more in-depth video of the car. I don't think I did it. I don't think I went into enough detail about the car itself on the 1,000-mile journey. It was just, the roads were just far too epic, so I got a little bit distracted. But yeah, I will do a more in-depth overview of the car, a bit of a walk around, go through the specs of the particular car and model. We'll also talk a little bit about costs. just to give you an idea of you know what this actually cost me, because I think in a way, after the time I've had with the Porsche, obviously it was very expensive, and in order for me to do this deal, it needed to be justifiable. Not many people will go and spend 12k getting a car fixed up and then immediately going to sell it. So I felt like the deal needed to be right, and I'll go into that in more detail in a future video. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and I look forward to sharing with you more content on this car in the very near future. Take care. Bye.